Hi guys, in the last class we have discussed third, fourth, fifth problems in exercise 10.1. So in this video we shall discuss sixth and seventh problem, and in the next video we shall discuss the eighth and ninth problem. So that two problems are the last of this exercise 10.1. So with the another video we shall start the exercise 10.2. So now sixth problem, a cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii and are of equal heights. So show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. So here they have given solution. Cylinder and a cone have equal bases. So this is a cylinder and this is a cone. So they said that they have equal bases, that is radius or diameter. So and also equal heights. So they are also of equal heights. So both this cylinder and cone have equal bases and radii of equal heights. So we should show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. So we should prove this. This is 3:1. The ratio is 3:1. So let the radius of the cylinder. So we'll take let the radius of the cylinder is equals to radius of the cone is equals to r. So radius means r, so is equals to r. The height of the cylinder is equals to the height of the cylinder is equals to the height of the cone. They are given in the question the height of the cone is equals to h. So we have written the given, so that their bases are equal and their height also are equal. So now we should show the ratios of the volume. So now the ratio of the volumes of cylinder and cone is equals to, so what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and next the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So now here pi r square, here pi r square gets cancelled, so the remaining is 1/3, and h also here gets cancelled, so the remaining is 1/3. So now this can be written as 1:3. 1:3. So volume of cylinder is equals to 3 and volume of cone is equals to 1. So therefore hence we proved the ratios of volume of cylinder and cone is 3:1. So this is the sixth problem. Now we shall discuss the seventh problem. The seventh problem is, a solid iron rod has a cylindrical shape. Its height is 11 cm and base diameter is 7 cm. Then find the total volume of 50 such rods. So here they have given a cylindrical shape rod. So they have given its height is 11 cm. Its height is 11 cm and diameter is 7 cm. So diameter means full, so radius means half. So diameter is 7 cm. Then find the total volume of 50 such rods. If we find the volume of these rods, so we can multiply with 50 and get the volume of 50 such rods. So first of all we should find the volume of one rod. So given, we'll write given cylindrical shape. They have given cylindrical shape rod, and they have given height is equals to 11 cm and diameter is equals to 7 cm. So we have to find the volume. So height they have given and diameter is equals to 7 cm. So now we should find volume of one rod. Volume of one rod is equals to pi r square h. Pi means 22/7 into height is 7 into 7 and into radius means 7 by 2. So radius means half of the diameter. So radius is equals to half of diameter. We know this, so we have learnt in previous classes. So radius is equals to half of diameter. So we'll write, so they have given r square, that means radius whole square. So we'll write 7 by 2 and 7 by 2 into the height is 11. So here 2 ones are 2 11s are. So when we multiply 11 sevens are 77 into 77, we'll get 847 by 2. So the remaining here is 2. Here 1 7 and here 1 7 gets cancelled. 847 by 2. So when we do 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6.5. So point remaining will be 1 and 2 5s are 10. So when we add 0, we will get 2 5s are 10. So the remaining answer is, so the volume of one rod is 423.5 centimeter cube. So we'll write cube in the volume. I have said in the previous video also, if you want to find a CSA or TSA, we'll write centimeter square. So here it is a volume, so we'll write it in centimeter cube. So the answer is 423.5 centimeter cube. So we have found the volume of one rod. So now we should find the volume of 50 rods. Volume of 50 rods is equals to 423.5 into 50. So 423.5 into 50. So we have to, this is the volume of one rod. So if you want to find the volume of 50 rods, so we will multiply with the given solution. So 423.5 into 50 is 21,175 centimeter cube. So we have got the volume of, therefore volume of 50 rods is equals to 21,175 centimeter cube. That's it guys. In this video we have discussed 6th and 7th problem. So in the next video we shall discuss the other two problems, and that will be the end of this exercise. So see you in the next video guys.